Welcome to our Web Builder how-to video series, Categories Management. On your website, normally down the left-hand side, you'll find your product categories. To add to or edit these, go to your control panel and click on Categories Management. You don't have to delete a category to deactivate it, just click Deactivate and the category will disappear from your website. You can also edit a product category, and firstly you can edit the category description. You can even add images into this and links, which helps with SEO. To add a product into a product category, type in the exact product name into the add keyword and click add. You can also bulk upload product names into a product category from a spreadsheet. To upload the spreadsheet, just click the Browse button, and once you're finished, click Save. To add a new product category, click Add Category. Decide whether it's going to be a main category or a subcategory underneath the main category, and then add category name. Mark as active, add a category description if you want. Then start to add your product names in the add keyword area. This will add those products to the new product category. Once you're finished, click Save. Thank you for watching.